So guys, we are back with today's video. I have a Tom from Children's toy typewriter. Now this typewriter, yes it is a toy, but it still works pretty well. It's not the best, but I mean it's old, but it's cheap to buy most of the time. We're gonna show you just how to load in the paper, but look, all the letters and the ink ribbons do take a bit fitting in for the size. But it's got the ink ribbon reversal on this thing. The ink ribbon reversal and the ink ribbon advancement doesn't work. But I don't think that really that matters. But typewriter teaches you just how precise and accurate you have to be with your typing. So let's get into the video and we'll review how to load the paper. Now, as you can see, guys, you can, let's do it this side. The other side's got a little fold on it. We'll start sticking it, right? Just sitting it right in where the little thing is. And what you want to do, you can see as you can pull it, it does not get in that groove. But it might be hard one-handed, but we'll try. And how to push it in. Just kind of while you're pressing the little advance button, push the paper in. Like I'll try show y'all just a quick second. Just gonna start pushing the little paper thing in, and if it gets it good, then it should just stay right in place. Hard one-handed, but once you do that, you just want to push it in while you have the carousel or the whatever you call this little cylinder moving, and you place them just like this. Then you slowly push it while pressing the little thing, which advances the paper up a row. You can take a look at that while I get this paper fully in. I mean, it does take a minute, but once it gets in there, it's kind of real simple. So I pushed it in while flicking this. Just have to be careful, it can hug the size. Now, like I said, these ain't the best.